Hey folks, here's a short video on the new user portal for Recon 3D yearly subscribers. And what this is a way that you can log into your account. You have a little portal and you can see all of your scans where you can download your E57 files and your videos. And in the future, we'll be able to do more with this particular portal. Now, where you can find this is, if you want the link, you can go to the website, just the recon-3d.com. And if you go to the FAQ page at the very, very bottom here, you'll see that we have a link. So it says, how can I get access to the user portal? And there's a link right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that right now. And all you need to do is log in with your user credentials, with your app user credentials, and that'll give you access. So let me go ahead and do that here. Okay, so I just logged in and you can see that I'm in here, and you can see that I have a whole bunch of different scans that I've been doing. So in the top left here, it's got my expiry date for my account, and over here where it shows the scans, you can see that I've got a whole bunch of things completed and that sort of thing. So this is like a real-time view. If you were actually uploading something, it would show, something is being initiated or something has failed or whatever. So it's a good way to sort of look at the overview of all your scans and everything else. Now, if you want to look at, for example, this one here, the second one, if I want to go in and look at some details, well, I can just go in and click on the eyeball and you'll see that I got a few little details. I can still download the E57 file and also the video file from this particular menu. And if it opens a new window, but if I go back, I can do this directly from here. So if I just want the point cloud, I can click on this little cloud. If I want the video file, I can just click on this one right here. Now, you also have some search functions. So if you want to choose the start date and end date for a particular range, and you can also choose the status. So if this was a completed job or processing or queued, you can click on one of those. And you can also choose between a LIDAR fusion, which is the standard, and photogrammetry. And if you can do a search here, you can do that. There is a search function here as well. So you can type some things in here and then, search out through your scans. So a number of different things you can do. So this is it, pretty simple, but in the future we can do some other things, and we're planning on doing other things with like backing up your files and that sort of thing. So yeah, this is the user portal. Again, it's only for yearly subscribers. So if you're on a yearly plan, then you're good to go. If you're on a monthly plan or you're just using the boosters, well, you're not going to have access to this. Okay, thanks folks, and happy scanning. Bye-bye.